Narinig mo na ba yung work out your salvation with fear and trembling? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Maliligtas ako pag pinagsikapan ko? Philippians 2:12-13. Work out your salvation with fear and trembling, for it is God who works in you to will and to act according to His good purpose. Ano ibig sabihin ng workout? Ang salitang workout dito sa Greek ay katergazomai. Ang ibig sabihin, to bring something to full completion, to cultivate, develop, or draw out what's already inside. So, hindi ito work for your salvation kasi hindi mo kailanman kayang bayaran ang ginawa ni Kristo. You don't work to be saved. You work because you are saved. It's like a seed na tinanim na ni Lord sa puso mo. Now, ang role mo ay alagaan at paunlarin yun. Work out your salvation means this. Ipakita mo sa buhay mo ang katotohanang niligtas ka na. Sa pananalita mo, desisyon mo, ugali mo, lumabas nawa si Kristo. Pero paano kung hindi mo kaya? Paano kung parang paulit-ulit kang bumabalik sa dati? Dito papasok ang verse 13. For it is God who works in you. Si Lord ang nagbibigay ng desire at lakas para magbago. He doesn't just command us to live holy. He empowers us to do it. Kaibigan, salvation is not just about going to heaven. It's about letting heaven invade your life now. So yes, work out your salvation, but do it with fear and trembling, with humility and total dependence sa Diyos. Because the God who saved you is the same God who's working inside you.